What's in a computer? At the heart of the computer is the motherboard. It is the largest circuit board in a computer, and all the other smaller circuit boards are connected to it. On the motherboard, there is a microchip called the Central Processing Unit, or CPU, which is basically the brain and command center of the computer. The CPU interprets software programs and sends commands to all the other parts of the computer. The BIOS, Basic Input-Output System, is special software usually stored on the motherboard. It wakes up the computer when you switch it on, checks that everything is working, and reminds it of what it needs to do. The motherboard also contains several cards, each of which has a different purpose. For example, the video card generates the graphics that you see on your screen, whereas the sound card controls the audio of the computer. The computer has two main types of memory, ROM and RAM. ROM holds information that is permanently burnt into the computer and you cannot change it. RAM, on the other hand, is like a short-term memory that you can access and change, but once you turn off the computer, it forgets everything. The inside parts of the computer communicate with the keyboard, the screen, the mouse, and other devices such as modems through ports.